War has wrecked our galaxy. From its ashes, a new terror arose. A giant head floating in outer space. Some people say he is a god. I say he's an asshole. My name?
Good evening and welcome to Gustav Making Stuff. And today I'm gonna do a little bit of a quickie here because about 1.5 years, 2 years ago, something like that, I did this gun that you probably haven't seen the build video of. However, look it up. Yeah, I made this gun to be in the movie Violent Star, which isn't really out yet. But anyway, the lead actress, Bianca Bradley, or if that's correctly pronounced, well, she was very lovely, and she signed the gun for me.
Where is good? I haven't even thought about it yet. There.
Yes, here we have Bianca signing the card. The very lovely actress of this movie.
I love anyone that calls me lovely.
Yes, you are very lovely.
Are you?
Thank you so much. And also signed a postcard here, and yes, as you see, she is holding the gun in her hand there on this picture. So, if this movie gets any big and people want to buy, you know, the actual prop from the movie, it's here. But anyway, let's see how I make the box. So I'm starting here by having this box that I have made, which is I have the same size as the frame I had from IKEA that was lying around. So it already had, you know, the plastic glass in it. So anyway, I did that and I drilled some hole in it to drill more screws in it. Using a lot of flatheads here. Flatheads are incredibly fucking useless, but I do have a lot of them, so why not use them for these things? I would not recommend buying flathead screws heads at all. But anyway, if you have a lot of them, why not use them? So you see, now I have to make this box here, and I'm going to paint it in fantastic grey color, which I also have a lot of. But also due to, I would like to match the tone of the movie a bit, to make it a little bit more, you know, let's say analogy submarine thingy. Because the movie was actually recorded on one submarine and boats and stuff like that. And you see, there's the gun there, and there is the two pictures I have with autographed from the movie there, which I got when I was there. You can also look at that video up when I was visiting the sets of this thing. Now you see, I have two sheets of plastic here, and made some hole in it with a hole punch, and also put some flathead screws in it to make it a little bit of interesting holder there. So now you see I also take a little bit of metal paint here, so it looks a little bit more metallic finish things on this frame from IKEA. The good things from IKEA. Anyway, so you see now I'm making a little bit of marks here where I'm gonna pre-drill with just hammering in that, so you will have a little dents in there to drill in to. And now I have a fittable drill there, you see. Now I'm just gonna sandwich this little autographs here in between there from Bianca and Matt, because he also signed. He is one of the other parts in it. I still don't really know what the movie is about, but we will soon see when it's released. Anyway, so now also she signed a gun for me, so I made a little, you see here I have screws that I've just drilled in a bit, so they will actually hold the gun like that, and they will look really lovely, because I think it's very fantastic to have your things you're proud of on display like that. So now you see I'm just putting some hangers here on the side to make it out. And now, peel porn! Peel it, yes, now, you see, that was a quickie there. Now we have this new sheet, because the other one was too absolutely filled with scratches on it. So now you see I have put it up there, and I'm going to pre-drill for some longer screws to actually hold the whole thing together. And the rest of it is just going to be a little bit decorative. You see there, they are very short, so they're gonna be like that. So they still have this hard thing going on. And that's about it. So now here you see, here it is. I'm gonna put this on the wall at some point, but you see they are very, very nice, and it's very hard to photograph this because of the the glass is kind of reflective. But thank you for watching, bye!